Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
So like I said, I was in a Catholic school, so Christmas was like a very important thing for us. So before Christmas only, we used to have a lot of competition, revolving around the Christmas. We used to have skit competitions, carol singing competitions, and Christmas card making competition, decorating the Xmas tree, and so much more things to do. And I really miss all of them because abhi kuch bhi karne ko nahi hai. So that's one thing. And during the Christmas vacation also, that used to be all academic work. So I really don't miss that. But with the Christmas thing, yes, I definitely miss all of that. And then we used to have a lot of Christmas dance also, dressed up as a Santa or fairy. And we used to have a carnival, I remember that. But that was for the New Year and not the Christmas. But again, that was so much fun. We used to dress up as... It was like a mini Comic-Con. Jo ab hota hai, tab nahi hota tha. But in our school, we pretty much had all of it. So that was a very killer thing. So this is one of my most favorite carol song, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. And please don't judge me for my voice. I have bad cough and I'm gonna sound super melodious tonight. Tonight bol rahi hu. It's a night only, yeah. So, Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw him, you would even say it glows. And all the other reindeers used to laugh and call him name. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer game. हाँ, उसके आगे भी आता है then when foggy Christmas Eve Santa came to say, it goes on. So I'm going to be a little honest here, which will sound bad, but Christmas में they used to give a lot of stuffs to eat for free, like the plum cake. Oh, I remember the plum cake. Then there used to be a fruity, there used to be a lot of chips, so many other things. And my neighbor was a Catholic, so she used to like invite us for chicken pulao. I mean, that's ideally not a thing, but chicken pulao is a thing. She used to cook, and that used to be so super delicious. And ऐसा नहीं है वो उसके आगे पीछे नहीं हमको खिलाते थे, but Christmas it used to be super special. And in our societies also we used to have a big Christmas celebration. I don't know if यहाँ पे ऐसा होता है नहीं, but we used to make this उसको क्या कहते हैं, old man. वो हे के साथ बनाते हैं ओल्ड मैन, उस पर कपड़े डालते हैं, एंड देन 31st को उसको जलाया जाता है, विच सिग्निफाइज दैट यू आर बर्निंग ऑल द सॉरोज, ऑल द बैड थिंग्स एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. एंड फॉर न्यू ईयर यू गोना स्टार्ट इट विद अ गुड फ्रेश थिंग. सो I love that, and now it's not happening anymore, so I miss all of these things. Oh god, I'm terrible at making resolutions. Like I make one, but I never ever work on it. So my 2018's resolution was to be fit as in not size wise, fit as in great stamina, great strength and all that stuff, which I started working on towards the end of New Year. But ठीक है, 2018 में I started. I'm looking forward to stay on it and be regular about it. So yeah, that's one thing for sure. And career wise, let's see. I mean, I definitely want to grow, but let's see how everything falls into place together. Christmas, I mean, the sad thing, like all my Catholic friends are away now, and there's really nothing much to do about the Christmas, but I think I will celebrate it with my fan base. So let's see if we do something on Instagram or YouTube. अभी वही बच जाए, इंटरनेट पे ही सेलिब्रेट होते हैं फेस्टिवल ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा. So let's see if that at least happens. And New Year में I think I'm traveling, so I'll be in middle of unknown place, road or somewhere, but it will be a New Year. Oh, wow, for New Year I definitely want to be in Vegas. I mean, Vegas is like New Year every day, but New Year पे कैसा होगा I don't know. So couple of months back I was in Vegas and I had a ball of time. I don't know, I mean, my soul is still there. I had such ball of time. So if at all I'm like, given money, or if anyone finances my trip, I'm definitely gonna go and celebrate my New Year in Vegas. And for Christmas, I guess I just want to go back to my childhood place like Vasai mein somewhere, you know, with my old friends, because that's the best Christmas thing. I don't want to go anywhere fancy and do something fancy. Ye normal thing, bake a cake, something like that. Very like ghar ka this thing. Love eating plum cakes, and the other things I like that mawa cake also. But I have never tried baking a cake, so but it will be a good thing to, you know, at least learn something new for this Christmas. So let's see if I get a chance to do that. For both the thing, I'm gonna be little sentimental here, but for we are seeing everything happening in our nation, I just want to say one thing. Doesn't matter which religion, which caste, what you belong to, please let's all stick as Indian together and celebrate every festival, and you know, not fall prey for this politicians or anyone who's still trying to divide us. बहुत हो गया यार, we are already very much divided in the past, and बस हो गया. I mean, this is something I really pray and wish, because together we are like really strong, and we can fight anyone. But देश में जब कुछ ऐसा हो रहा है, it's very ugly and it's very unrequired, and it should like literally stop. Hey guys, this is me, Niharika Singh, aka Captain Nick, and I have been invited by IWM Buzz, and I'm having a great time here. We had so much fun, and I really wish you guys a very, very, very happy Christmas and happy holidays. Enjoy your time, and thank you for watching this video. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to IWM Buzz. That you do, yeah.